Making money online is not impossible. However, if you are not willing to make any previous investment to increase the revenue, then you will be facing a difficult situation, but don't worry. There are a few ways in which you can manage to make some extra money online without wasting any single penny on the idea. However, it will not be easy, so you will have to give it all in order to succeed, without having any more to add. Hey, welcome back to the Cashflow X-File channel, the channel that brings you the best ideas about how to make money online. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I upload videos every week, so make sure you don't lose any chance making of money online. Plus, after you do that, leave a comment below saying that I subscribed. I will make sure to answer every one of you. And make sure you stay till the end. You don't want to lose any important news that could make you a little bit richer. Before we start, a bit of a disclaimer. The information contained in this video, and the resources available for download, viewing through this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. Results are not typical. I am a professional internet marketer with years of experience and do not guarantee you will achieve the same results. So with all that being said, make sure you stay tuned to discover the top 3 ways to make money online free without any investment. Let's begin. Make money online free without investment. Option number 1, sell your skills on websites. If you have any good skill which is in demand, then you can make some good profit by doing others' work on popular websites where people are looking for workers specialized in certain camps and skills. If you can code, make videos, edit photos or images, and any other thing in which you are better than average individuals, then go for it. You might end very surprised by the results, so for this task, you might want to join sites like Freelancer, Fiverr and others more related to this topic. You will require a CV, patience, skill, and effort. Option number 2, use online strategies to make money. In this option, you will find hustles like competing surveys or small tasks that won't take too much time of your life to fulfill, and if you manage to complete lots of them, you might end with some good profit. Also, you can watch videos or ads with the same purpose of making some money in your free time to avoid procrastinating after work or in your free hours. The key will be managing to stay focused and without losing energy or getting bored to make as much money as possible. Your best bet will be following online strategies to gain more results as possible. Option number 3, use social media to your advantage. Nowadays it's very easy to use social media to your advantage. For example, you can post your products or skills to catch the attention of some recruiters that are looking for workers. You could become an influencer and gain a good amount of followers to start monetizing your ads, or even to get lots of sponsors that will be willing to pay and work with you to show their products or brand without too much effort. Your best bet will be starting popular platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or even Facebook, but you need to make sure that you create some good content without falling into spam content that will annoy your users or followers instead of making them follow your profile, which will mean that everything will be in vain, and you don't want that, right? So put your skills into practice for this task, and then you can start seeing some good profit, and after that, enjoy your gains. But after some time, you could create a YouTube channel or something like that, make some investment and gain even more money. But begin with a low profile, and after that, see what can you upgrade in terms of quality. The objective will be gaining money without wasting any penny, remember it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, so make sure you subscribe to get notified when that happened.